Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to type NYE in a laptop computer, especially a laptop without the numeric keypad. Okay, so aside from pressing Alt 164 or Alt 165, you can hold down the Control Shift and then press this tilde key, then press letter N. Okay, to insert or to type NYE on the screen, hold down the Control Shift, then tilde, then press N. Okay, so that is how to insert NYE on the keyboard. So to insert the lowercase NYE, just simply you can highlight and then you can click here, especially if you're using Microsoft Word. You can change case and then you can click lowercase. So aside from Alt 165 and Alt 164 or inserting it from symbol or copying it online, you can do this to insert NYE on or to type NYE in any application. Thank you so much for watching.